Hey everyone, I'm Luis. Today I'm going to introduce you our two-door smart fridge. The payment system is Nayax card reader. There are 5 floors. Each floor can be 2 trays or 4 trays. There's a price tag for each tray. On top of the machine, there are 2 light boxes and 22-inch touch screen. Let me show you how to buy. Tap the card. You can click to open door 1 or door 2.
Welcome card unlock success.
Take what you want. The taken products will be displayed here. Close the door and money will be deducted from your card.